Hello dear students of first year. Once again I welcome you all in this online session of classes. Today in this video we are going to study the second method of integration, that is by partial fraction. Okay? First method of integration was method of substitution and second is partial fraction. So I have written one question on the board, that is integral x upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. See, again I would like to say, students, in the previous video I have told that when the question will come in exams, they will not be mentioned like that which method you have to use. You have to, by seeing or by observing the question, you will be comprehending, you will be able to see that which method you will be applying. So, now what's the thing which you have to see? Okay. See, in the method of substitution I also have told you. Now in the method of partial fraction, by partial fraction method, we have to see that in denominator there should be factors. In denominator there should be factors. For example, in the denominator here you can see there are two linear factors. First is x plus 1 and second is x plus 2. So there are two linear factors, x plus 1 into x plus 2. If like so on, there may be more than two factors, like 3 factors can be there or 4 factors can be there. If so, the factors are there. It may be quadratic factors also. Okay? So here two factors are there, linear factors. Quadratic also can be there. Okay? But some method of quadratic factors I will be telling the next question. But if there are factors, you can use the method of partial fraction. Okay? So how you have to go for this question? Just write out the function like this: x upon x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now the meaning of partial fraction is, partial means in parts, fraction means you have to break. You have to break your given factor into some parts. ठीक है? दो फैक्टर्स है तो दो फैक्टर में ब्रेक हो जाएगा, तीन फैक्टर्स है तो तीन फैक्टर में ब्रेक हो जाएगा. So if there are two factors, you have to break your given function in the given fraction in the factors. So how you have to write out your given function? You will write down this. See, if there are all the factors are linear factors, how you have to write out? You have to write out some constant a upon first factor plus b upon second factor. For example, if here would have been the third factor, like just say x minus 1 or x minus 2 or x plus 3, x minus 3, like so on. So there would have been here plus c upon like that third factor. जो भी थर्ड फैक्टर आपका रहा होगा, यहाँ पे प्लस c upon थर्ड फैक्टर आ जाता है, and up to so on. Four factors are there, plus d upon that fourth factor. Now, see, let us take LCM on the right hand side. When we take LCM on the right hand side, this a will be multiplied with x plus 2 and b will be multiplied with x plus 1. And here, left hand side, we may have as it is. See, now very carefully observe this step. Just see, both sides on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side, the denominators are same. On the left hand side, denominator is x plus 1 into x plus 2, and simultaneously on the right hand side also, denominator is x plus 1 into x plus 2. So you can eliminate or you can cancel both the denominators. So left out thing only will be the numerator. सिर्फ क्या बचेगा आपके पास? Numerator. So x is equals to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. b into x plus 1. ठीक है? Now you have to main thing you have to in this question you have to find out these values of constant. The values of this constants a and b. How you have to find out? I will tell you. So there are two factors, x plus 1 and x plus 2. One by one, put these factors equal to 0 in this equation. You can name this equation. First of all, you can name this equation as equation number 1 and this equation as equation number 2. So put one by one, put these linear factors equal to 0 in this equation number 2. First of all, let us put x plus 1 equal to 0. Now, what's the meaning of putting x plus 1 is equals to 0? अगर आप इसको थोड़ा सा solve करें, तो 1 right hand side जाके कैसा हो जाएगा? minus 1. X equals to minus 1, मतलब 0 minus 1 minus 1. So put this x equals to minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to, you have to put this value in equation number 2. See, a into, when you are going to put x equal to minus 1, minus 1 plus 2, 1. Friends, see, you have to put the value of x equal to minus 1. जब आप यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू -1 पुट करोगे, -1 + 1 0, 0 into b 0. ठीक है, so that thing will be eliminated. So a into 1, that is a only, so that is minus 1. The value of a is minus 1. Second thing, put second factor equals to 0. Put x plus 2 equals to 0. That means you have to put x equals to minus 2. 2 को right hand side ले जाओ, कैसे हो जाएगा? Minus 2. Now after that, see, when you are going to put x equals to minus 2 is equals to, जब x की वैल्यू minus 2 यहाँ पुट करेंगे, ध्यान से देखिए, minus 2 plus 2 0, 0 into a 0. Only you have to put in this factor of b. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. That is minus 2 is equals to minus b. Minus minus got eliminated. The value of b will be equals to positive 2. The value of b will be positive 2. Now just put down these values in equation number 1. Okay. So your integral will be integral. ठीक है, अब देखो सबसे पहले let us put the values first of all in this equation number 2. ठीक है, a upon x plus 1, a की वैल्यू क्या है? minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus b upon b कितना है? 2, 2 upon x plus 2. ठीक है, so that is इंटीग्रल इज इक्वल्स टू, अब देखो आप लोगों ने इस चीज की क्या करनी थी? इंटीग्रेशन मेन आपको इस फंक्शन की इंटीग्रेशन करनी थी, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू बाय यूजिंग दिस मेथड वी हैव जस्ट पार्शियली ब्रेक दिस फैक्टर और वी हैव सेपरेटेड दिस फैक्टर इनटू टू फैक्टर्स, सो वी हैव टू इंटीग्रेट दिस एंड पुट द साइन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन integrating with respect to x. Now in between there is a plus sign, you can separate this integration like this, minus 1 upon x plus 1 dx plus integral 2 upon x plus 2 dx. After that you can take this minus sign out of this integration, so minus 1 upon integral 1 x plus 1 dx plus, similarly you can take out this constant term 2 outside this integration, so that will be integral 1 upon x plus 2 dx. See why I have taken out these constants common outside of this integration, because what is the integration of 1 upon x plus 1? देखो अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि 1 upon x plus 1 की इंटीग्रेशन क्या है, दैट मींस 1 upon x plus 1 किसकी डिफरेंशिएशन है? दैट इज log of x plus 1. 1 upon x की इंटीग्रेशन क्या थी? log x. 1 upon t की इंटीग्रेशन क्या थी? log t. तो 1 upon x plus 1 की log x plus 1, 1 upon x plus 2 की log x plus 2, 1 upon x plus 3 की log x plus 3. So that is minus log of x plus 1 plus 2 log of x plus 2 plus c. This is constant of integration. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Okay, minus log x plus 1 plus log plus 2 log x plus 2 plus c. Okay. Now let's do one more question. See, as I have told you in the beginning, that there used to be two type of factors can be there in the denominator, like linear factor and quadratic factor. Okay. For the linear factor we have done this question. Now what happens if the question comes in the factor like quadratic factor? What is the meaning of quadratic? The power is 2. Not the power, we can say the degree. Degree is 2. So if the highest power is 2, that factor is known as quadratic factor. So if in denominator there are quadratic factors, how you will be solving that question? Let's do one question for that. Integral x upon x square plus 1 into x minus 1 dx. Integral of x upon x square plus 1 into x minus 1 dx. Okay, this is our second question. See students, there are two factors in the denominator. X minus 1 is a linear factor, but what is x square plus 1? That is a quadratic factor. So if it is a quadratic factor, how you have to write a function for each region? X upon x square plus 1 into x minus 1. तो आप कैसे लिखेंगे क्वाड्रेटिक फैक्टर को? फ्रेंड्स a अपॉन दैट फंक्शन फैक्टर नहीं लिखेंगे, उसको लिखा जाता है ax plus b, ax plus b upon x square plus 1 plus c. अभी कौन सा लीनियर फैक्टर, तो इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? प्लस c upon x minus 1. इसको मत लिखना cx plus d because it is a linear factor. Now we can take LCM on the right hand side as just in the previous. But how do you have to write out in this form? That thing you have to just keep in your mind. Remaining the whole portion is same as previous one. So x square plus 1 into x minus 1. So x plus b will be multiplied with x minus 1 plus c into x square plus 1. And as it is. See, now on the both sides, denominators are same, so it will be cancelled, and things remaining out will be only the numerator side. So x is equals to x plus b into x minus 1 plus c into x square plus 1. After that, see, we have to find out these values of three constants are here. In this question, three constants are there, a, b, c and c. So main thing we have to find out the values of a, b and c. How we have to find out c? जैसे हम लोगों ने पिछले क्वेश्चन में लीनियर फैक्टर को इक्वल टू 0 पुट किया था, यहाँ पर भी करना है, बट वी कैन ओनली पुट लीनियर फैक्टर इक्वल्स टू 0. तो लीनियर फैक्टर क्या है? x minus 1. Just put x minus 1 equal to 0. So when we put x minus 1 equal to 0, that is x equal to 1. x equal to 1 put कर दीजिए, 1 is equals to. Now since what happened when we put x equal to 1 here, 1 minus 1 0, 0 into anything 0, complete चीज 0 हो जाएगी, no need to write down. So just write down there c into x की value 1, 1 का square 1, 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, c into 2, this 2 can be taken on the right hand side denominator. So c equals to 1 by 2. c की value क्या आ चुकी है आपके पास? 1 by 2. Now similarly we will go for a and b, but how? We cannot put quadratic factor equals to 0. अब देखो फ्रेंड्स, हम लोगों ने मेन चीज यहाँ पे क्या किया है, थोड़ा सा आप समझने की कोशिश करें. We have put x equals to 1. Now randomly by your own put x equals to anything like minus 1, minus 2, 2 like so on. ठीक है, अब हमने 1 पुट कर दिया तो एक काम करते हैं, x की वैल्यू कुछ और पुट कर देते हैं. Let us say 0. Let us say put x equals to 0. In the next step we can put x equals to minus 1. ऐसे पुट कर दे close values 1 minus 1 0 2 minus 2. ठीक है, don't put so many big values like 10 minus 10. Don't go for that. So x equals to 0. So 0 is equals to, see when I'm going to put x equals to 0 here, a into 0 0 only, b 0 minus 1 minus 1 plus c into x we are putting 0. So 0 plus 0 0 plus 1 1. So b into minus 1, b into minus 1, that is minus b plus c. Okay, you can take this minus b on the left hand side, that will become b is equals to c. What is the value of c? That is half. So b will be also equals to half. The value of b is also half. Now let us find out the value of a. We have got the value of c, we have got the value of b. Now we will be solving for the value of a. We have put substituted x equals to 1, 0 also. Now let us put minus 1. Put x equals to minus 1. See then, minus 1 is equals to a into minus 1 minus a plus b. b की वैल्यू आपके पास आ चुकी है, you can put that plus 1 by 2 into x की वैल्यू क्या है? minus 1. ठीक है, so minus 1 that will be minus 2 plus c into x की वैल्यू minus 1 का स्क्वायर 1 only, so 1 plus 1 that is 2. It will be so minus, multiply this minus 2 with both the terms. So minus 2 into minus a, that is 2a plus 1 by 2 into minus 2, that will be minus 1. Become 1 by 2 into minus 2. 2 eliminated. ठीक है, so 1 into minus 1 plus c की वैल्यू आपके डिस्टेंस है, आप पुट कर सकते हैं. So again this value got eliminated. 1 into 1 will give you 1. 1 minus 1 eliminated. So minus 1 is equals to 2a. So a is equals to minus 1 by 2. A equals to minus 1 by 2. A equals to minus 1 by 2. B equals to 1 by 2. C equals to 1 by 2. Put this values over here. Ax plus b. Ax minus half x plus b, that is half upon x square plus 1. Okay, plus c, what is c? Again it's half upon x minus 1. इस फंक्शन के आप लोगों ने क्या करनी है? इंटीग्रेशन. So I equals to, we'll put one integration sign. After that, kindly separate this integration with both the terms, like integration of minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 upon x square plus 1 dx plus integral 1 by 2 upon x minus 1 dx. Okay, next step. See students, now in the numerator there are terms in the form of plus and minus. अगर न्यूमरेटर में टर्म्स प्लस और माइनस की टर्म्स में है तो क्या कीजिए? डिनोमिनेटर्स को सेपरेट कर दो. ठीक है, क्या करना है आप लोगों ने? सेपरेट द डिनोमिनेटर्स, लाइक माइनस हाफ एक्स अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 प्लस इंटीग्रल हाफ अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 डीएक्स को भी सेपरेट कर दो. ठीक है, हम लोगों ने क्या किया? डिनोमिनेटर को सेपरेट कर दिया. Plus half you can take outside, that half integral 1 upon x minus 1 dx. Next, again you can take this minus half outside common. Right, what will be the remaining? Integral x upon x square plus 1 dx. You can take this half outside of the integral, half integral x square plus 1 dx. 1 upon x square plus 1. Okay, up to this step we have solved. Now see, since is the very first integral, x minus half integral x upon x square plus 1. See, first method of integration, substitution that will be applied here. Denominator क्या है? x square plus 1. इसकी डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होती है? 2x. वो ऊपर है, ठीक है, 2 नहीं है तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? यहाँ पर see, we can just, this is a lengthy question so we can skip some steps. Just multiply also by 2 and divide also by 2. अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, बाहर डिवाइड कर दीजिए ताकि वो फॉर्म बनने के लिए नीचे फंक्शन ऊपर उसकी डिफरेंशिएशन. और फर्स्ट बाय मेथड ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूशन आई विल टेल यू जस्ट वन शॉर्टकट कि अगर नीचे फंक्शन हो, डिनोमिनेटर में फंक्शन है और न्यूमरेटर में उसकी डिफरेंशिएशन है, प्लीज कीप थिंग इन योर माइंड, इन डिनोमिनेटर देयर शुड बी अ फंक्शन एंड इन न्यूमरेटर देयर शुड बी इट्स डिफरेंशिएशन. अगर ऐसा है तो यू कैन अप्लाई द मेथड ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूशन. उसको क्या होता है? इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है? डायरेक्टली लॉग ऑफ फंक्शन. फंक्शन क्या है? जो डिनोमिनेटर में है. डिनोमिनेटर में फंक्शन होना चाहिए, न्यूमरेटर में इसकी डिफरेंशिएशन होनी चाहिए. अगर ऐसा है आप लोग को इसकी इंटीग्रेशन करनी है तो इंटीग्रेशन होती है लॉग ऑफ फंक्शन जो डिनोमिनेटर में है, लॉग ऑफ x स्क्वायर प्लस 1. ठीक है, प्लस हाफ, व्हाट इज द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 अपॉन x स्क्वायर प्लस 1? 1 अपॉन x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 या फिर 1 प्लस x स्क्वायर एक ही बात है. तो 1 अपॉन x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 की इंटीग्रेशन दैट इज tan इनवर्स x plus half, what is the integration of 1 upon x minus 1? That is log x minus 1. Log x minus 1 plus c. That's it. That's it. 1 by 2 log x square plus 1 plus half tan inverse x minus c. Sorry, it is 2 into 2 will give me 4. Okay, so that is 1 by 2 log x minus 1 minus 1 by 4 log x square plus 1 plus half tan inverse plus c. So this is the answer for this question in which denominator there is a quadratic factor. ठीक है, so in this video we have done this two questions of this second method which was method of partial fraction. In the third video or in the next video we'll be going for the third method which is by parts. Okay, so thank you, but don't forget to share this video, subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.